morning. My name is Pradip Roy and I run a business named Whatnot, a marine bookshop below Parnosri Bank of Baroda. I don't know what to say because we, the businessmen, are suffering the most in today's world. The rich doesn't suffer because they have enough money. Even the poor doesn't even suffer because I don't believe the poor people are so poor. They are poor, of course they are poor. They don't have money like us, but they can survive. We are the people, the middle class, who suffer the most because we can't stand in a line to take relief. We can't beg. We can't borrow. Of course, we borrow from banks. We take loans, education loans, home loans, student loans, and various loans. Some people's life run on EMI. Of course, they run on EMI. But my point is, in this country, the rich gets richer, the poor stays poor, and the middle class people are always middle. My point is that what the government is doing is good. Okay, we need lockdown. We don't need people running on the streets. We don't need malls open. We don't need theaters open. We can survive without them. Of course, some can't, but I can. Some people can. Many people can. But my point is, if you are doing lockdown and not testing enough, what will happen when the lockdown finally gets over? Our kids are going to go to school. Not everybody goes in pool cars, their personal cars, and two-wheelers. Some go in public transport. What if one person who is affected sits beside my kid or your kid and he infects that kid? That a kid goes to the school, he or she infects other kids, and the cycle starts all over again. You see, it's very difficult for a country like India to maintain social distancing. It's not impossible, but it's difficult because we have people from various cultures, various standards, and various intellects. The problem is with the educated people, as because they know too much, they don't listen too much. The poor listens because they know they have to survive, to run their family. But we are the intellect types. We have our own opinions. We don't give a shit really to what the government does because we only want two things in life. We want to be happy and we want to survive. The middle class people doesn't dream of being rich. Of course, those people who work in central government and state government, they dream of being rich maybe. Some use their left hands under the table to earn more money, and they are paid good. The post office beside my shop is closed for the past 14 days. Of course, I don't blame them. There are many people who can't come to duty, but then there are some people who maybe stay in the vicinity of this post office, but they don't feel like coming to the job because maybe the government ordered them not to do so, to come to the job, but they will still be paid because they are employees of the esteemed central government. Same applies to state government employees. They get paid when they work and they don't get paid when they don't work. That's their mentality. We can't survive on this mentality, the business people. The day I don't work properly, I don't get paid properly. It's all about the mood, the mentality. My question is, if the government can't make our life easy, then why the hell are you making it difficult? The government is decreasing rates of interest on savings fixed, and it's eating through our expenses. But you want to make up your losses, sir? If you want to make up your losses, then make up your production. Do something productivity in the country. But nothing happens. Central ministers are all talk, and even the state governments are all talk. Nothing actually happens in this country. And and I don't believe nothing will. I just wish that when this lockdown is over, finally, maybe after 1 month or 2 months or 3 months, how long would it be? Everything would be fine. Because believe me, we are sitting on a time bomb. Thank you.